Hi, grade 7 students. Let me show you another example of mail merge. I have here an example of request form for SF10 of transfer students. Ipapakita ko lang sa inyo na pwede tayo mag-insert ng information sa kahit na anong part ng letter. Okay, so I have prepared a list of recipients. So it's important to have these headings here: the title, the school, address line, and then to student, grade and section, advisor, school year, and the current grade. Now, separated sila. This information is separated para mas mabilis natin siyang ma-pull up mamaya sa ating MS Word. Now, let's go back to our letter. First step is to go to the Mailings tab and then start Mail Merge, then select Letters. After that, let's select the recipients and then use an existing list. Then locate our list sa nakasave ang ating na-prepared na recipients list. And then, pag napulot at kapag may nakita tayong dialog box na to, that's okay. Now we're ready to add our address block. So, dito, may mga iba't ibang format ng ating address block. And then dito, may kita natin yung preview kung ano ang itsura niya. So, let's okay kung okay na sa atin yon. And then, enter for our greeting line. Now, since this is a formal letter, I will be choosing this one, to whom it may concern, and then click OK. And then now, para magkaroon ng laman ang ating information dito, just click on this space and then insert merge field. So I will be choosing student. Okay, so andito na siya. Nakita na kagad natin dahil naka-preview ang ating results. Pero kung hindi yan naka-preview, this is how it would look like. The next is the grade and section. So insert merge field, select grade section, and then for the advisor, insert merge field ulit, advisor. Then the school year, select school year, and then for current grade, insert merge field, select current grade. Para ma-preview yung ating results, let's click on this one. And then, tayo. Okay, kung okay na sa atin to, let's finish and merge. We can print the documents. May option tayo to print all the documents or just the selected documents. Din naman is send natin through email. You can choose a format like attachment, plain text, or HTML. And you can also send this all or just the selected documents. So that's it for this example.